to be taking a look at a microphone from a company called FiFine. They actually reached out to me, and today I'm going to be actually doing a little unboxing and review on this microphone. Now, from what the description said, it is a lapel microphone. Shout out to FiFine for reaching out to me to review this product, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing. It's a pretty light box, but we'll go ahead and see. Easy to open. All right, so as you see here, they have a little sponsor here for their Facebook page and everything. Then you have your user guide. This is your FiFine C1 user guide. And again, this is a lapel type of microphone, but this is meant for your smartphones and whatnot. So yeah. And then, oh wow, they actually put this in like a nice velvet type of soft case here. I wasn't expecting them to actually do all this, but we'll go ahead and open it up now and see. All right, so it feels like the cable's pretty long here. Oh wow, yeah. Oh wow. Holy moly. Alrighty guys, I had to just take a break for a moment and get everything like situated because it was all tangled up. But I wasn't expecting them to send me all this. They gave me a splitter cable, so this is for two different microphones. And they actually gave me two different microphones. So basically, while I'm talking in one, I could be interviewing someone else. Basically, I would be able to record both the audio without having to use two different sources. So that's really cool. Thank you, FiFine, so much for sending that one out. And this is the lapel microphone, as you all see here. It clips right onto your shirt, and hence why I'm wearing a black shirt. That's why I wore the black shirt. I wanted to be able to see if it was camouflaging really well. They even give you a little Velcro strap here. They give you an extra clip and microphone filter just in case you lose them. Last but not least, you have this type of microphone over here. I'll go ahead and read the manual and get everything set up, and I will come back to you guys in just a little bit. Alrighty guys, so taking a look at the lavalier microphone and the headset microphone, they sent me two different microphones once again. These are TRRS cables, so you'll be able to use these for all mobile devices such as tablets, smartphones. You can even use this for your DSLR cameras. It can work for essentially any mobile type of device. The headset microphone, as you all see here, this has a frequency response of 30 hertz to 16 hertz, so it can definitely get those lows down. The best part about the headset microphone is that it is a omnidirectional microphone. So say if I'm at like maybe a music park or something, I'll be able to just walk around a little bit easier. Where instead of this one, you can use this as a clip-on maybe if you're like in the house or you're trying to interview someone, like I said before. I really like it. It feels good. This is not plastic. It's actual metal, and I like the fact that it's all black. The best part about this though is that if the cable really isn't long enough, which is, I think this is a definitely long enough cable. If it's not though, they give you an extra set right here. This is a smaller part if you just need a little bit more, and then they give you this extra extension. If you really are trying to do an interview, you'll be able to use this splitter cable. You'll be able to get both persons' audio with the splitter cable, which helps so much because you won't need two different type of audio recordings and try to sync it. They will just both be synced with these two, and it goes into this one TRRS cable, as you see here. And with that being said though, let's go ahead and test them out. All right guys, so I have the lavalier microphone right here. We're gonna use this one first, but right now you're hearing the audio from my Rode Video Micro microphone, and I really love this mic, but I really do need one of these lavalier microphones for when I'm traveling. It would help a lot more, especially when I am in an interview. I think I definitely would want to use something like this. So let's go ahead and give this one a try first. Okay guys, it says it is recording through this microphone now. I'm using the lavalier microphone from FiFine Technology right now. Let me know how it sounds. I literally don't know until I record this video. So let me know what you all think of it in the comment section below right now. Overall though, I will say it feels well. And on top of that, the clip on it isn't like too bad or anything. I don't know, we'll test it now. If you heard that, we'll see. But overall, I'm not trying to talk too loud. I'm just talking at a normal tone voice. And I do like that it is black. Like I said, I think it definitely fits in very well if you're in like one of these type of environments or an interview type of environment. All right, guys, so I'm back using the Rode Video Micro microphone. And I just finished actually listening to the audio from the lavalier microphone with my headphones. It does pick up a lot of background noise, but there's nothing wrong with that. It's a solid microphone though. It sounds really good. And I honestly wasn't expecting it to sound that well. I'm not just saying that just because they sent it to me, but it does sound really good. Now, unfortunately, the other microphone, the headset microphone, one, it does not fit very well at all. The other problem is that it actually broke. So I was wondering why it was kind of flimsy when I just had opened it out of the box. But now it makes sense why. So I don't know if you all can tell there. but I went to put it over my head like that, and I go to try to adjust it, right? The thing breaks on me. So I don't know what happened. Hopefully, they're able to send another one to me. I will email them and let them know. I will let them know, and hopefully, I will have another video for this headset microphone because I would love to use a headset microphone. I definitely need one of these. Overall, though, I do think this lavalier lapel microphone is definitely worth it. This is a whole bang for your buck because you actually get this. On top of that, you get the headset microphone, plus you get a splitter cable, 2 extra extension cords for both of these headsets. I think this is an awesome deal. It only costs $20 and you get 5% discount with the link in the description below. On top of that, they do free shipping site wide, so you don't even have to worry about paying $5+ for shipping. Again, this thing is only $20 and it comes with both the headset and lapel microphone, 2 extension cables, and a splitter cable. So I hope you all did enjoy the video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And remember to check out my Patreon. It starts at $3 a month. Thank you again, FiFine, for sending this to me. And until next time, you guys, peace out.